A district-level youth exchange program was held today at the BADO Multi-Facility Centre, Ampati, under the theme Today's Youth, Tomorrow's Leader. The program is organised by the District Sports Office of Southwest Garo Hills with an aim to foster leadership skill and cultural awareness among the students. The event featured various competitions including painting, group and folk dances, folk songs, highlighting the rich cultural heritage of the Garo Hills. The event concluded with an appreciation for the participants and winners of each competition as the district continues to support youth development through such initiatives. The Tirso Valley Wildlife Protection